Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best 2K Automotive Clear is probably one of the most important components in achieving a flawless and long-lasting paint job. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of 2K Automotive Clear coats, exploring their benefits, application techniques, and what sets the top contenders apart. We'll cover everything you need to know to make an informed decision and achieve professional-looking results in your own garage or workshop. Number 5. Spraymax USC 2K High Gloss Clearcoat Aerosol. This is Spraymax USC 2K High Gloss Clearcoat Aerosol. It offers maximum resistance to abrasion and scratching. It's designed to keep your base coats looking their best. This clear coat is suitable for use over all base coats. It provides a protective layer, ensuring a long-lasting finish. It's the perfect final step for your paint job. The product is ready to spray after activation and shaking. Simply activate the can, shake it well, and apply. It's designed for ease of use and professional results. The clear coat comes as a clear liquid. It goes on smoothly, providing a high gloss finish. It enhances the appearance of your paintwork. The manufacture date is printed on the can, and the product has a 2-year expiration date from that point. Make sure to check the date before use to ensure optimal performance. It's a reliable choice for your projects. What we like. This clear coat is designed to withstand the test of time, offering exceptional resistance to scratches and abrasions. Its user-friendly design makes it perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. If you are looking for a clear coat that provides a durable, high-gloss finish and protects your paint from the elements, you should consider this. What people say. The product is easy to use and provides a smooth finish. It dries quickly and is very durable. The clear coat provides excellent protection against UV rays and other environmental factors. Number 4. VIOFO A229 Pro 4K HDR Dashcam. Introducing the A229 Pro Dashcam, featuring dual Starvis 2 image sensors. This allows it to record in stunning 4K resolution for the front and 2K for the rear. It ensures you capture every detail, day or night. Equipped with HDR technology, the A229 Pro balances highlights and shadows. This ensures clear license plate recognition, even at high speeds. It delivers exceptional night shots, front and rear. The A229 Pro offers 24/7 protection with 3 parking modes. It automatically records when motion is detected, offering flexibility in how you use your SD card. Please note, a hardware kit is needed for parking mode. Enjoy hands-free control with 12 voice commands. You can take photos, lock videos, and more, all without taking your eyes off the road. It also provides clear voice notifications. Connect to the VIOFO app via 5 GHz Wi-Fi for easy configuration and video sharing. This allows you to preview and share videos on your mobile device effortlessly. The A229 Pro features a quad-mode GPS module for accurate location tracking. It provides detailed vehicle data, including location and speed, when reviewing videos. With loop recording, the camera automatically overwrites old files. It also locks important videos when a collision is detected, protecting crucial footage. What we like. This dashcam boasts dual Starvis 2 sensors and HDR technology, ensuring crystal clear recordings day or night. With its 24/7 parking mode, it provides continuous protection for your vehicle. If you are looking for a dash cam that captures every detail and offers peace of mind, you should consider this. What people say. The 4K front and 2K rear video quality is sharp and detailed, even at night. License plates and street signs are easy to read thanks to the Starvis 2 sensors and HDR. Setup was straightforward, and the GPS and 5 GHz Wi-Fi make it simple to review and transfer footage quickly. Parking mode adds an extra layer of security, and knowing it supports up to 512 GB means I don't have to worry about storage filling up too fast. Number 3. Spraymax 2K High Gloss Clear Coat 6-pack. Introducing Spraymax 2K High Gloss Clear Coat. This product offers maximum resistance to abrasion and scratching. It's designed to protect your base coats. This clear coat is perfect for use over all base coats. It provides a durable and glossy finish, enhancing the appearance of your work. The product is ready to spray. Simply activate, shake, and apply. It's designed for ease of use, saving you time and effort. The Clearcoat comes as a clear liquid, ensuring it won't alter the color of your base coat. It provides a high-gloss finish that enhances the depth and shine. The manufacturer date is on the can, and the product has an expiration date of 3 years from that date. This ensures the product's quality and performance over time. What we like. This Clearcoat offers maximum resistance to abrasion and scratching, ensuring your paint job stays protected. With a 3-year shelf life, it provides long-lasting durability. If you are looking for a Clearcoat that offers both protection and longevity, you should consider this. What people say. The product is easy to use. It dries quickly. The Clearcoat provides a high-gloss finish. Number 2. Spraymax 2K Clearcoat Aerosol Spray Can. This product is designed for professionals, but it's so easy to use that anyone can achieve great results. It gives you the quality of a high-end spray booth without the expensive equipment. This Clearcoat spray paint is a game changer. Unlike other Clearcoats, this is a 2-part paint system. This means it cures faster and harder, giving you a high-gloss finish every time. The results are truly professional. This Clearcoat offers maximum resistance to scratches and abrasion. It also provides high resistance to chemicals, gasoline, and weathering. This will keep your paint sealed and protected for years. Need more time? This product has an impressive 48-hour pot life. The shelf life is 3 years, and the date stamped on the can is the manufacturing date, not an expiration date. The included spray trigger lets you paint like you're using a spray gun, without the messy cleanup. Just snap it on and save your fingers from fatigue. It makes the application process much easier. What we like. This Clearcoat delivers professional results with its 2-part formula, ensuring a high-gloss finish that cures quickly and resists scratches. It offers maximum resistance to abrasion and scratching. If you are looking for a Clearcoat that provides a professional finish without the need for expensive equipment, you should consider this. What people say. Great for headlight restoration. One can could easily do 2 to 3 cars. It dries within a few minutes, and quickly starts to show its shine. This product is easy to use. Follow the instructions on YouTube. Not hard, but you do need to shake 2 minutes, then put the red thing on the bottom, press hard, shake 2 more minutes. Throw away the sprayer attachment. The can sprays fine. Now the great part. I scuffed the lower side of my black 24 Maserati GT. I bought OEM paint, which was dull. Then added 2 coats of this, and I swear it looks like new. So, highly recommend. I've used other Clearcoat aerosol cans, and this is the best I've used. The spray nozzle is smooth and spreads the paint evenly. The gloss is also great. Number 1. Speedokote SMR 13075 km Clearcoat Kit. Introducing the Speedokote SMR 13075 km Clearcoat Kit. This kit is designed for automotive use and provides a fast-drying, durable finish. It's a great choice for your vehicle. This is a 2K urethane clear coat, ensuring a high-quality finish. It dries quickly, saving you time and effort. The result is a professional-grade look. The kit includes a gallon of clear coat with a medium activator. This ratio ensures the perfect mix for optimal performance. It's easy to use and provides excellent results. Please note, if you are in California, Delaware, or Maryland, you'll need to order the SS-132 version. This is specifically formulated for those states. Make sure you select the correct product for your location. It offers a universal and durable clear coat. It is designed to withstand various weather conditions. It provides long-lasting protection for your vehicle's paint. It is designed for use in temperatures between 65 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures the best application and curing process. It provides a smooth and even finish. This product offers fast drying and curing times. This allows you to get back on the road sooner. It saves you time without compromising quality. What we like. This clear coat offers a fast dry and cure time, allowing you to get back on the road quickly. It provides a high gloss finish and is UV resistant for excellent weathering protection. If you are looking for a clear coat that combines speed, shine, and durability, you should consider this. What people say. The product sprays out of the can very nicely and lays down smooth. It dries very fast and hard. The product is very easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.